Yo, what's going on, guys? MozFX with a YouTube video kind of explaining how to get started on trading, right? So I'm going to be going over the platforms that you're going to be using with my boy Ian. Yo, Ian, introduce yourself.
What's going on, man? This is the best growth operator in the world right here.
Yeah, yeah.
We are gonna be a good example for how to get started with trading. So, this is gonna be my t-shirt through this whole video.
All right, yeah, sounds good. So let's just jump straight into it, right? I don't want to kill no time, and I already know, like, you know what I'm saying? Wow, wow, I can't even speak, Ian.
Wow, bro. How about our grammar course, eh?
All right, so
Okay.
the first platform that you guys are going to be using is called TradingView.com, right? So as you can see, this is TradingView, right? So you're going to go ahead and click the first link, right? So with TradingView, you can see all the financial markets, whether it's obviously Forex, which is short for foreign exchange. You can see index funds, stuff like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones Industrial, which is also US 30. You can see cryptos as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, etc. Right? You have a whole bunch, right? And also you have what me and Ian trade, which is futures. And so you can also see stocks as well. So like Apple, Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, a whole bunch of things, right? As long as it has a price on it and it's um online, you can watch that financial market data on trading, right? So to actually go and look at the actual charts, you're gonna see this little square that I'm circling right here, right? This one right here on the bottom right of the screen. I'm circling it. I'm just circling it a little longer if you guys don't see it. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, right? So if you click on that, it actually brings you to your chart, right? So on the right-hand side is going to be kind of your watch list, right? So guys, this is very short, right? Exactly. This is not showing you exactly how to trade or what tools exactly that I use when I'm trading on obviously TradingView, but it's definitely something that you guys needed to see, right? So right here on the watch list, you can see that we have ES, we have NQ, we have YM, and also GO. So this is all everything that I trade, every asset I trade within the futures market. And then you also have your candlesticks that you'd be looking at, right? So right now, currently on the 1 minute time frame, you also have other time frames, right? Where you have the 5 minute, you have 30 minute, 1 hour, and you can choose your own time frames that you guys are going to be using, right? So by clicking this little arrow, you can start all the time frames that you personally like to trade with more on, right? So right here as well, when you click on your watch list, you can also add, right? So if you go to the add symbol, right? And personally, me and Ian trade futures. So if I click futures, I can just go ahead and add a whole bunch of things, right? So if I wanted to add crude oil, I just click this little plus sign, boom, it's already in my watch list. And now I click it. And now I'm looking at that asset, right? And remember, you can make money when you're buying and selling in a trade. So remember, selling is you're not actually selling anything. You're just entering the trade thinking that it's going to be going down, and buying, you're not buying anything. You're just in the trade thinking that it's going to go up, right? And also you have twos to let you know your level to level as well as how much you're going to risk, whether it's points or dollars and stuff like that as well, right? So you have your favorite toolbar right here. So your favorite toolbar is going to be right here, right? I leave mine on the top right. But to add those toolbars, it's going to be on the left-hand side of your screen, right? You're going to see little arrows next to it. So I'm going to just go ahead and like point this a little bit better so that you guys can see. It's right here. All right, cool. So now that you know it's on the left-hand side, right? Let's say I wanted to add a Fibonacci, right? So I would go here, click the little arrow next to it, and then I can just click the little start button, right? And whatever you like better, you can just add, right? So if I like this, for example, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and click it. I'm gonna add it, right? And then I'll just like randomly just put it on my chart like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much how we use it. And obviously you have your sell and buy buttons right here whenever you are getting into the trades. And this will be the first platform, like I said, right? So this is not like pretty much to get into that in too much depth to actually show you exactly 100% how trading works. It's just showing you the platform that is needed to when you actually start to get started on your trading career as well, right? Is there anything you want to add, Ian, or anything that you have to say, like, or any advice for someone who's actually getting started when it comes to actual trading?
I'd say if you're just getting started with TradingView, definitely take some time to play around with all the tools. Like you can see on the left, I don't know if you touched on that already. Like, I think you did already, like playing around with the text, rulers, the stop losses, take profits, Fibonacci, all that stuff. Just get familiarized with all those things, and then as you start getting familiarized and start liking all the tools. So for me personally, I like using the square, the trend lines, horizontal rays, what's it called? You pretty much have them all up there. You guys should see it in that little box up there. Here, can you like
Yeah.
use it real quick?
Your horizontal, it'll be on
Yeah.
the first one. You click the little arrow right next to it. You have your trend lines, you have your horizontal lines. I'll click on one for you guys so you guys can see, right? So I click on it and I just adjust it to wherever I want to put it. As you can see, you have it right there. And I can actually end up putting it here, whatever level I like better, right? For level. So honestly, definitely play with those twos and put them on the levels that you think is support and resistance, right? And pretty much back test that as well. Like, so to back test as well, like you can click this replay mode. Once you click it, you can go back into old data and you can just determine a trade, right? I seen that the chart was going up already. So let's say I did put this long graph, right? And then I can just click this, put the speed up, click this play button, and then I can actually end up seeing how the trade actually did play out, right? So stuff like that is good as well. You know what I'm saying? So definitely do that. Is there anything you want to
Mhm.
add or touch on, or pretty much you think we're good for trading V?
No, that's pretty good, bro. I think it's solid. Um, we can always make another more in-depth video on TradingView, but I think for this one, it's really just the basics, just to get people to know what it is, why to use it, how to use it, basic stuff.
Okay, yeah, definitely. So as you guys can see, right, the second platform is going to be also your broker, right? So a broker is something that you actually need to place trades, right? Because obviously you can't place trades from your bank account, you can't do it from Cash App. You need to do it specifically with a brokerage account, right? And the best broker that I would recommend, and obviously Ian, he used it as well for his live account,
Mhm.
would be Sway Markets. So if you just click the second link, right, open account, and you can just click sign up right here. Oh, it's not super bright. I'm just waiting for it to load up. Okay, cool. So as you can see right here, you would have to sign up right here, register, put in your personal information, make an account. And once you make the account, also we're gonna make a video on how to deposit funds, right? Let's say you already have made a demo account, you're already trading it for quite a while, and you think that you're ready to go ahead and start trading your own personal capital. Obviously, me and Ian are gonna make a separate video on how to actually deposit crypto into your live account so that those funds could get transferred because in certain states they don't allow direct like through your bank account because I know like they just added that and it only works for some states.
Mhm.
Yeah, so obviously it's like kind of like similar like making a bank account. Obviously you have to put in your personal information, scan your driver's license, pretty much verify that you're a real human, you're not a robot or a scammer or a hacker trying to like just make an account or get into other people's accounts as well. So that's it. Create the account, obviously create a little demo account and then yeah, access to it. And pretty much you guys will be all set and ready to trade. So when you look at the actual trading view and you're using your tools, you can use your brokerage account to actually get in and out of trades. So that's all the brokerage is for. It's really just to enter and exit positions. That's really all it is.
Mhm.
All right, so that's pretty much it. Ian, you got anything to say, bro?
Nah, bro, pretty much covers it, bro. Um, yeah, Sway is really valid, bro. They have really minimal fees.
Low spread.
They even have their own platform to trade on. Like if you don't want to map things out on TradingView, they have their own thing called Sway Charts Pro. You can
Fire.
go on there, do your own charting, all that good stuff. It's cool, but I honestly prefer TradingView because you have a lot more tools. It's a lot more seamless. But that's always something you can do.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so yeah, well, if you're trading futures, of course, but if you're trading
Oh
indices,
yeah.
if you're trading, yeah, like, because I use TradingView, but only because I'm using futures. But if I'm actually like go back to indices, because I have like two accounts, Sway Charts Pro is definitely better if you're trading indices. But if futures, bro, me and Ian recommend TradingView 100,000%.
Mhm.
But yeah, guys, so make sure to sign up with my affiliate code. So every time that obviously you guys make money with me on the live trading room, I'm giving my signals for free. I also make money as well with that. So make sure to sign up under my affiliate. You guys can become an affiliate as well. And obviously vice versa. So if you have your own community, like you can do the same as well. And that's pretty much how you can expand and also add money to your live account and make it grow.
Mhm.
All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna wrap it up right here. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
All right, boys.
All right.
Bet.